So small. Yes.
So we're here at microcenter, like electronics computer. This computer case is so cool. They have handles. They're like easy to carry. They have those handles, and it's a tempered glass. You can see yourself through right there. And then it is 119 and 99 cents. That's cool. They have white.
Yeah. Every scratch.
Yeah.
Tempered glass
Like
also. And then this is cool. With these are cool. Look at that lights. So cool. This one is so pretty. So this is the store normally we shop for computer parts. I love this one. Really pretty. And so they have difference too. And this one too kind of like similar for that one. This one. This one. So these are all the computer case.
I like you. You're pretty.
Pretty. I really love this one.
Joe's.
Really nice one.
He has a slightly different version.
And color green, they're down here too.
Let's move on. So we're here in a little section with the camera bag. So this for a little is like 89 and 99 cents.
Now
That's
you don't want
expensive.
them. There's an actual backpack section, and they'll have better ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
I
Okay,
don't
let's
know, you gotta look around.
so let's move on. They have the ring light here too. Those are pretty ring light. Pro series.
The one you have is probably like about this big, huh?
Yeah, and then it says 199 and 99 cents. A ring light, honey. And then they have those LED studio light kit. do have one of that at home that sometimes I use it when I'm filming. But they do actually have this too here. I have one of that at home. And this is similar for my ring light at home too. Cool. Guys, nakita ko itong Nokia. Meron pa pala nito dito. That's really old phone. And this is my phone that I'm using for filming right now. Samsung S9 and then 599 and 99 cents. That's the Samsung that I'm using right now. Next, monitor naman tayo. Yan yung mga monitor nila. Ang cute, no? Yan yung mga monitor nila. Magkano?
It's a little different, but
129 and 99 cents.
yeah, but
259 and 96 cents.
and then I've got
And
the one
this-
I bought, which I think
That one is
says I got it online.
159 and 99 cents.
Give them like $20. They come and be like, I got a drone.
So we're in lines. We're waiting to pay. We got 2 items.
We got 3. One's at the register.
Oh yeah, we got 3. One of the register, and this one is 72.99.
I'm starting to learn the cashiers.
And this one too. So yeah. Okay, we just got home. I haven't showered yet. It looks like I'm tired, but we're home. Done shopping with what do you call that, honey? Some of the computer parts. So because they have a sale today. What is it?
We just needed them.
Huh?
We just needed them.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't buy computer parts because they're on sale. I buy them because I need them.
Oh, okay. So we don't buy it just because of for sale. We just need some electronics. So that's it for today's vlog. And actually, it starts snowing outside. By the way, it starts snowing outside, and we'll see. I'll update you guys tomorrow how it's look like the weather outside. So yeah, it's snowing.
Tomorrow it'll be done. Right now, it looks like this.
Where? right, guys, a little bit update outside. That's what it's look like outside now. It's snowing really, not really bad, but it's windy. It's getting cold, so yes. So okay, this is for, oh, I like this jacket, it's cute. So by the way, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.